You cannot escape. Depart.
What pact? What do you want from me?
Oh, Ada. You know your family secret will be the downfall.
What is it?
Adora.
Mama. What is it?
Mama. I saw something.
What did you see?
I don't know.
Okay. Just calm down, okay? I'm here. I won't let anything happen to you. You have me. So calm down. Okay?
I'm afraid. I don't know what that is about. I saw something.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here now. I won't let anything hurt you. Okay? Just calm down.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Just come. It's okay. Calm down, okay? Hope you're not hurt. Relax.
Mama, I was called and I saw a tree. The tree has a face and it said we had a pact. Mama, did we have any pact with any tree?
Our family has a pact with the great oracle for power and protection. But the time for recording is near. The great oracle will come for what is owned.
I won't let him do that.
My daughter, you don't understand. The pact was made with blood and sacrifice. We won't escape it.
What are these symbols?
These symbols are made to keep the great oracle at bay. But they are weakening. Our family's power and influence is dropping. And they are faltering. But remember, my daughter, breaking the pact won't be easy. For the power of the great oracle is ancient and vast.
You are the one. The key to breaking the pact with the oracle.
How did you know about the pact with the oracle? Who are you? And what is happening to our people?
My name is not important for now. Our meeting is not by chance. Soon you will come to know me either as your ally or as your enemy.
Please. Please tell me what is happening. What is happening to our people?
If you really want to know the truth, then you must come to the ancient shrine. You must come alone. And be warned, once you know this truth, there's no going back. I await for you at the shrine, if you wish to come.
What is hidden at the shrine? Why must I go alone, and what will I find there? And who is this mysterious stranger with the eyes that sees through me?
Ada, what is happening? You've been acting strange since morning.
Please, where is Mama? I need to speak to her.
She will be behind Joby. But what's happening, Ada?
Nwachukwu, I'll talk to you later. For now, I need to go and see Mother. Oh, I'll be right back. Mother.
Adora, I've been worried sick about your whereabouts. How can you leave this house without any information?
Mama, I met someone in the village today, and he asked me to come and see him in the shrine if I want to know about what is happening in our village.
Who is the person and what does he want?
I don't know, but I think he knows something about the oracle's power.
Adora, I don't like this. How can you just go off to meet a stranger?
Mama, I have to go. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
Adora, you will not go anywhere. Go inside. I said go inside. Adora, move. Get inside.
Adora. Adora, where are you going to? You know, Father said...
Chukwu, I want to go and clear my head. I'll be back very soon.
Alone? You know, Father won't approve it. You've been acting strange all day. You've been distant and preoccupied.
I'm fine. I've just been thinking about mother. Well, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Thinking about mother, you said? Or thinking about what is happening in the village? Are you thinking about the strange noises at night? Or people falling sick? The missing livestock? See, Ada, Father is afraid that something evil is stirring. And that's why he doesn't want us to go out. And now you want to sneak out.
Chukwu, I must do this. I need to do this for myself, for our family, and for the truth.
See, Ada, you are the only girl. You have to be very careful. You have to be careful. Father won't be happy with you if he finds out that you sneak out.
And there is no way Father would find out if you did not tell him. Let me just go. I'll be back soon.
Okay.
I'll be back soon. Greetings.
You are brave to have come. That is a good sign. I told you that our meeting was not by chance. The oracle's power is great and comes from the blood of our ancestors. Your family's pact has unleashed a darkness that grows stronger each day. One day, one victim. 7 victims so far. The curse needs to be broken. My name is Ikenna, but you can call me Akajiofo. I am here to guide you, to teach you the secrets of the shrine. The curse must be broken.
How do I stop it? Please tell me what I need to do.
You need to understand the source of the oracle's power. This shrine holds the key to our people's magic. The key to breaking the curse.
Please, tell me what to do.
I'll show you. The shrine will reveal the secrets of our people's magic to you. But first, you must be prepared.
What is happening?
The deity acknowledges your presence. You have a crucial role to play in breaking the curse of the oracle.
The time of reckoning draws near, Adora. You must be prepared.
Prepared for what?
To break the curse of the oracle, you must first understand the history of your family. To see the future, you must know their past. Adora, touch the face of the mask. Let it reveal your family's past to you. Touch it. Place your hand on it.
You seek wealth, power.
Now you've seen the truth about your family's history and power.
I understand now. The curse, the visions, it's all connected to my family's past.
Exactly.
And the oracle's power.
It is your destiny, Adora, to break this curse. But you are not alone. We will help you where we can.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Good.
Mama! Mama!
What is
Mama!
it? What is it, Adora? What is it? What's that?
Adora, what is it?
You know exactly what is it, Mama. You've been lying to me my whole life. You sacrificed my life in exchange for our family wealth and protection.
Adora, you know our family's secret should not be shared with outsiders. You know the consequences.
Consequences, you say? You should have thought about the consequences before making a pact with the oracle. The villagers are suffering because of your selfish action. Crops are drying, the rivers are drying, and the villagers falling sick.
Enough of this! You cannot disrespect your mother.
You want me to respect a woman that sacrificed me to an oracle and brought doom to the villagers?
Adora, you should understand me. I did this to protect you. I did this to give you a good life.
Good life, you say? You call being a slave to an oracle a good life?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my daughter. Please forgive me. I don't know what else to do.
Let me tell you, Mama. I am going to do everything in my power to break this curse.
Adora, you cannot go against your mother's wish.
Watch me. Adora. Adora!
The journey to the tree of the oracle will not be easy. A lot of spirits. You will be at the tree of the oracle.
not be deterred. I must break the curse. This is it. Seven candles for the 7 victims. Four native chalks representing the 4 market days. Seven herbs representing the 7 virtues as a seal of protection.
Adora, why have you called upon me?
I want to break the curse that my mother Norma has brought upon our generation and village.
Yes, normal quest for power, wealth and protection for your family. Led her down to a dark path. She delved into forbidden magic, sacrificing her own morality and waking a violent force.
I want to restore balance and break this curse in our lineage.
Norma's intentions were misguided. but rooted in a desire to protect and provide. Yet, her action has devastating consequences.
I do not want to follow her path. I want to break this curse and restore our family honor.
Yes, Adora. Complete the 7 days ritual and the path for freedom will reveal itself. But be warned, Adora, the journey ahead will be treacherous. You must confront the darkness within and without.
I will not falter. I will break the curse and free my family's future.
Norma, have you had any news from Adora since she left? It has been 3 days now.
Not yet, Nai. I'm getting worried. But since she left, no one in this village has fallen sick.
That is true. Maybe whatever she is doing there is working.
Hopefully. Nai.
Nwachukwu, my son! Ah! What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oracle, I summon thee. Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself!
I'm trapped. Bound by my promise to the great oracle. I can't help you, my son. Adora is our only hope. May the gods guide her. May she find a way to break the oracle's power. I brought this upon us. Please forgive me, my son. It is my quest for power and wealth that brought this upon us. But I don't know it will come to this. I don't know what I've done. My son, my family, my people are suffering just because of me. What have I done? What have I done? Please forgive me, my son.
The gods are with me. I will not falter. I must save my people. Who is that? Who is there? A messenger from the spirits or a trickster?
I bring a message from the ancient ones.
I see.
The ritual must be completed, no matter what challenges arise. The spirit demands your commitment and perseverance.
I must see this through. 7 days. No matter what.
May the spirits of the land guide Adora. May her intentions be like the morning dew. Let her be one with the spirit of her ancestors. No harm will befall her. The whispers of the forest, the whispers of the wicked ones will not confuse her. May her heart remain pure. May her intentions shine forth like the morning dew. May her heart be one with the spirits of the land. Let our ancestors guide her against the dark winds of the evil ones. she will return in peace. She will be successful in her mission.
You see?
Mana ebekukwa ngo ndị ichie ebekukwa ngo ezumezu ebekukwa m unu. Nekwa na nwa ụlọ nwaanyị jee nchekwa akwa nọnye ụlọ bụrụ n'ụzọ kpele azụ ajọ mmụọ ya fụ ajọ mmadụ ya fụ. Ndị ọbụla bugharị abịa ebe ọ nọ kwarie nọ. Ndị ichie nekwa na nwa ụlọ nwaanyị. Ọkwa okunu kpọrọ ya ka ọ na-aza. You called and she answered. Guide and protect her.
You see? No. Our son's condition is worsening by the day. I fear we are losing him. The Dibias have tried all they could, but none worked.
Where is Adora? She has been gone for days now. What if she doesn't return? What if the oracle consumes her? We all know the fury of the oracle.
Nai, don't say that. Our daughter must return to us. She must return. She's our only hope. We should have kept to our own part of the bargain with the oracle. I fear if it is too late for Chukwuka.
We need Adora. But before then, I will consult a very powerful native doctor to look into Chukwuka's case.
Now you have to. You have to do everything within your power to make our son live again. I heard 7 people in the village are sick and Chukwuka is the 8th person. And I heard 1 person is already dead. Please, I don't want to lose my son. Nah, I be gone.
By the gods, what have I unleashed? No! I will not let you consume me. You may have the power, but I have the blood of my ancestors running through my veins. I will not be broken. I will rise above this darkness.
You should not have come here, Ada. Now you will never leave.
No, no, not like this. You will not consume me. I will not let you.
Oh, Ada. You are so deliciously fragile. Your fear is so intoxicating. You shouldn't have come here.
You are a monster. A creature of darkness.
Ah, but I'm the one that will set you free. Free from your mortal limitations. Free from your pitiful humanity.
No, I will never be like you.
But you already are. You have embraced the darkness. Ada, you have unleashed it within yourself.
Oh.
And now, it's too late to turn back.
No, please. Please have mercy on me. Please.
Mercy? You should have thought of that before you came here. Now, you face the consequences.
No. No, please. Not like this.
Farewell, Ada. May your screams be music to my ears.
Ekele mo.
Now give me a message. Hey!
What is it?
Adora. Adora is in trouble. Ogini ka ye mabani ke we so ya ni. We have to assist her. If she fails, our people will suffer. If I block Belije, I block Belije. Huh?
Yes, yes, the ritual is complete. You will soon be reborn in darkness.
The pain is too much.
The transformation is complete. You are now a vessel for darkness.
I am reborn.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. You are now a servant for darkness.
One move. Reveal the light. Hey!
Akajofo, what is it?
I felt a very powerful surge in the spiritual realm. It's like nothing I've ever felt before. Hey, Nchamelo. The transformation is complete. Adora has been consumed by the darkness. Hey!
So what do we do?
I do not know. Adora needs to fight this. We have to help her. But I do not know how.
You need to do something.
Yes.
To save Adora.
Yes. I have to make consultations. I must consult the deities. Adora must not fail. Adora must not fail.
So what do we do to bring Adora back to the light?
I do not know. This was not supposed to happen. It is clear that I underestimated the power of the oracle, the power of the pact made by Adora's mother. If Adora becomes consumed entirely by the darkness, then we are doomed. Obiannaro. Oh! Okpomaka ji ọfọ nza. Ọ sị na ma na-echi ntị nsị ọwa mba. Ọ sị na ọfọ ka ide eji awaanị. Na aka na-ama nzu adọrọ mma ime unyi. Na ọfọ tiwula ọgwụ mana ihe tiwula ọfọ bụ eme nte n'imo. Ọfọ ndị ichie, ọfọ ndị gboo. Aja n'ebe anyị daalụ. We need to get the offer of the ancient ones.
I remember the stories. The forest is dangerous. It's evil.
We have to prepare ourselves and live as the first light of dawn. If we do not rescue Adora from the darkness, then the entire community is doomed.
Do you feel that? The forest is watching us.
Yes. It is. We have to be vigilant.
Yes.
Who knows the dangers that lurk here?
I am the guardian of the pact. I catch your offer. You must prove your worth to claim the offer of your ancestors.
The gods are with us. This is a sign. But we must be vigilant. This way.
What is it?
We are being watched. Reveal yourself!
You are trespassing!
Be gone!
You will never have your offer. Both of you will die here in this forest.
Stay close to me.
This is not right. It feels right. It feels powerful. Don't you feel it? No. We have to free our people. We have to break the curse. The curse that was brought upon us by our mother's greed. Let them suffer. We must fight this. We have to. Ada, submit to the power of the oracle. Submit to him and be free.
I sense the presence of powerful spirits.
Let's continue. You need the offer to save Adora.
Yes, but we must tread carefully.
You think you can have the offer? It is mine to protect.
Step aside, witch. I do not want to harm you.
You think you can defeat the oracle? He is powerful and he will crush you.
I am willing to take that chance.
You are brave but foolish. The forest power runs through my vein, and I'll crush you both.
We will not relent. We need the offer to save Adora. Her life depends on it. The survival of our kingdom depends on it. Step aside, witch. I will not warn you again.
You think you can stop me? With my magic power, I will crush you.
The offer is over there. We are here. We are here. Or four of our ancestors. I come before you in all humility. I am but a humble son of the soil. Akajiofo, Akajiomenana. Permit me to wield you. Let us go. There are beings within this forest that do not want us to live with this offer.
But we must leave because of Adora and our kingdom.
Yes. We have to hurry.
Yes.
There's no time to waste. Move.
Okay.
Adora, this is not you. We need you to fight this darkness. Overcome it so that you can save your family. So that you can save our people.
Together, we can break the curse and restore balance in the village.
Sunday Jinabo. Welcome back, Adora.
Akajiofo, you are here.
Yes, we are here. We saw the signs that you were consumed by darkness. Today is day 7, and we have come to assist you so that you will complete the ritual and break the curse.
Adora, we are with you. Together, we will see this through.
Do not worry. It is your destiny to break the pact and bring an end to this curse. Are you ready? Then let us begin. Become brother. Complete the ritual. Step back. That's how it's.
I mean to break the curse. The pact was made with my mother in deceit. Our family's greed has made our whole village to suffer.
Foolish child. Your mother pledged her loyalty and yours in exchange for wealth and power. You cannot go back on that promise.
We stand with Adora. The entire village stand with her. This has to end. The curse must be broken.
Silent! Ada, come with me. I will give you limited power.
No, I won't be swayed. My mother's greed has made our village to suffer for far too long.
Ofo, Ideji Awana. Aji go for Jidolugogu. This is the offer of our ancestors. You have no power over us. Ofo ti wulogu, mani yefti wulo for be menteni mo. Anye mehogo ntare mehogi mo. You have no power over us. We shall be free from your bondage.
Stop the tree, Ada.
No, Ada, no.
Stop it again. It's a sign. The pact has been broken. The oracle has been defeated. Obelije nwona. Ofoka ide eji awani. Ayi jikwa ofogide obi.
Norma. The people are healing. The sick are getting better. As a matter of fact, I am just coming from Okoye's house. Their son is perfectly okay now.
Thank the gods. I thank the gods.
How is Chukwuka?
Nai. No change. I fear for the worst.
What is happening?
I don't know. My case is different. My son! My son! My son! No. Hey!
Mom.
Nai.
What
You are
happened?
okay. Hey! Thank the gods. Nai. Seems Adora has done it. She has saved us all.
Truly.
Hey, now.
My daughter has brought balance into our world.
Hey.
But Dad, what happened?
Don't worry. Come and sit down. Hey, thank you, God. Thank God. You are okay.
You are okay now.
Don't worry. Forget about what happened. Come and sit down. Huh? Hey. Sit down. Did you see anything while you were?
I don't know what happened. Who can I say? Hey. Thank God I'm still alive.
That is bad.
Adam.
Hey.
Adam. You are welcome.
You are okay. You are okay. Thank the gods, Ada, you have restored life back to our family. Hey,
Yes,
Mama.
Mama.
You so much.
We are all free now.
You did it. You have brought balance into our life.
Yes, so Ada, you're welcome. You must
Let
be
me help you.
exhausted.
Let me help you.
Hey, carry it, oh. Hey, you must be tired, my daughter.
Mama, I need water.
Come. Nah, come and get water for her, oh. Hey, anyway, go and get water. Go and get.